Marry your travel data, CRM, digital marketing with data analytics for intelligent business insights. Hey travel service provider, this is a marriage you don't want to miss. In this video, I will be sharing how the emergence of data analytics is bringing in the wave of customer relationship management strategies and digital marketing, which is a key to personalization. Hi, thank you for watching my video. My name is Shweta Sethi and I am a travel analytics consultant helping travel companies, OTA, hoteliers establish online brand presence, leverage the power of proprietary data and artificial intelligence to scale up their businesses. I also run a company called Analytics 40 Lab, a data analytics company providing travel technology analytics solution powered by data analytics and artificial intelligence. The tourism industry worldwide is in fight for survival during the coronavirus pandemic. Travel restrictions, quarantine, and the closure of transportation has hit the tourism hard. Although this pandemic will eventually come to an end, the travel industry will never return to the old normal. The challenges from the COVID-19 pandemic gives businesses today a rare opportunity to invest in technology and process improvement to gain the competitive edge in the long run. So here I will talk on what are travel businesses across the globe doing to mitigate the pandemic impact. Now, adapting digital transformation, data analytics, CRM, and AI will be increasingly important for travel companies to predict the customer behavior, intent, and unlock the revenue opportunities, and at the same time deliver the enhanced customer experience. Moreover, traveler expectations are also evolving, where they expect a unique personalized experience and embrace innovation. From planning to booking a trip online, sharing experience, and engaging on social media channel and devices has created high expectation for digital customer experience. Now, digital channel will empower the travel businesses to build closer, smarter relationship with client and deliver a cost competitive, relevant, and seamless cross channel experience. Well, if you think lead and customer is just a number in an Excel, then you are on a wrong way. We are now in the digital era wherein if you want to stand out from your crowd, you need to start building relationship with your customers at the start of the customer connect. And the secret to reach to existing or potential customer is to build a comprehensive data lake by having your travel brand website, CRM system, digital presence, and data analytics in place. To have customer for life, you have to give valuable experience in exchange of the services they take from you. So it's just not selling a hotel room or a flight ticket or a holiday trip. What is important is building the relationship with your customer. It's all about experiencing the relationship with your customer, which is much more valuable. So if you are still in nascent stage of your business with little customer information, you need to begin with developing your traveler persona and build relationship with your customer by doing more with your data. And for this, you need to start by establishing your own travel brand, for which it is imperative to have a travel website. So if you still don't have it, in less than 15 minutes, I can help you create a cost-effective online travel presence by having your website on your domain, which would have taken your tech team weeks to do. Yes, you heard it right. It's just 15 minutes by watch. You do get in touch with me if you want to build your travel website. Being the part of this industry since long, I very well understand the travel domain and can resonate with your requirement. Secondly, you need to understand your customer by knowing your target audience. For that, you must have a CRM in place. So if you need any help with customer relationship management solution, I can help you with it, which will help you manage customer interaction using technology to automate business processes and consolidate information from various departments of your company like marketing, sales, and support, so that you can develop a comprehensive overview of your customers, attract new customer, nurture and retain them for future businesses, equipped with AI-based suggestion, auto itinerary builder, seamless customer and supplier management, and auto payment follow-ups and much more. Next, not to be missed, is to figure out digital marketing data driven marketing approach by creating the awareness across social followers through Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, implementing search engine marketing techniques and tools. So, analyzing the digital touchpoint across the customer journey through various techniques involved, such as SEO and SEM, videos, content relevant strategies, measuring the KPIs, metrics, and a lot more. Lastly, apply data analytics to all data you have, which will help you gain valuable intelligent insights such as who are your most valuable customer. This will help you target a look-alike and a neighborhood audience for your future promotions and campaigns. How your brand is perceived by your customer, what delights your customer, what all channel is mostly being preferred so that you can place more effort and resources on those channels. Why your customer churn, identify the key reason and take the proactive step. So when you have a total understanding of your consumers need and want, you will be in a better position to implement more relevant offers and content for your audience. So these insights will actually help you what you need to do to retain your business. Leveraging data analytics by using the customer data, historical campaign data, transactional data can help you plan and efficiently execute your next marketing campaign or business strategy. So it's a time to design your strategy on statistical and mathematical proof data rather than assumptions and guesswork. So some of the insights that can help you are like what product content flash the most interest from your traveler, design your next product content in a similar fashion, what was the time when you received maximum booking or when your potential clients were mostly online, so that you can plan your next offer and campaigns during those time slot to get a higher engagement. Which sales channel give you the best conversion rates? Invest more resources in those channels. How were the engagement of customer on your website, Facebook, Instagram, and other social media channels? Analyze your traveler and target the right audience with the relevant information. Now, these insights provide interactive dashboards which are tailored to user roles like travel managers, top management, financial controller, HR division, which help boost the efficiency by providing the relevant, accurate information that can be used to make quicker and more informed decisions. Now, displaying all the data using visual and intuitive approach make it easier than ever before to search and interrogate your data. Actively hunt anomalies and aid in measuring and monitoring the key performance indicator. Unlike other products which have static reporting and dense functionality which require analytics experts to deliver into the data, the design dashboard is flexible and usable and dynamic to take informed business strategy. Thereby, you can also predict the potential saving that could be made by hunting the anomalies, booking patterns, and then collating all the travel data in one single view improves the efficiency and offering direction as to where the resources should be focused. In a nutshell, it is imperative today to establish your travel brand and start building relationship with your customer. Start leveraging your CRM. If you don't have it, get it in place. Digitalize your travel brand, and instead of relying on siloed sources that only provide a partial picture of your business and customer, why not bring all the data from multiple sources together under one platform and create a data powerhouse to find the meaningful insights that will help you drive the leads, improve your conversion rates and return on investment. That is all for this video. Trust this information helped you. Do click the like button if this video provided any value to you, and share it and spread a word with as many travel business group. You can connect me on the details given below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Your subscription will help the channel grow and will keep me motivated to keep on making more content. Thank you for your time and look forward to see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and have a great day.